How many categories does your Google Business Profile have? If you said 1, you're invisible for 90% of the searches your customers are making. Most HVAC companies only list their primary category, HVAC contractor, and that's it. Meanwhile, their competitors are showing up for air conditioning repair, furnace installation, heat pump services, and a dozen other searches. So let me show you what you're missing. I just ran a check for a HVAC contractor in a mid-sized city, USA. And if you watch my last video on GMB Everywhere, link is in the description. It's an affiliate link, and I believe they have a discount. You can see from the last video, you will see the categories that this company that's ranked in the top 3 is coming up for. They're highlighted in red. And if we look at a deeper look, we can see the services, the main services that's under each of those categories. This will give you an idea of what services to put into your GBP, your Google Business Profile, to match each of these categories. If you're in business, you should have a minimum of 4 categories and a total of at least 30 services. Depending on the size of your city, you might get away with 20 services and less. As I say, in SEO, all you have to do is beat the competition. And if you're familiar with the golf game, that's the equivalent of winning your local tournament versus competing in your regional qualifier. Or if you like horse racing, is your horse good enough to win an allowance race or compete for a Group 1 $1 million prize money race? You just have to beat your competition. And that's what I keep telling clients, and that's what we do at Lead Gen 24. We just do enough to put you in the top 3. You don't need to overspend your money. You don't need to go beyond your budget. All you need to do is beat the competition and 5x those calls. You can multiply them by 5 when you get into the top 3. And these will be free. You're not going to be, every time somebody clicks on one of those ads, it's money leaving your bank account. And you can get 5 times that amount of calls if you're in Google's top 3. That's according to Google's figures. 70% of all calls go to the Google Maps top 3 because customers do not trust the sponsored ads. Some of them do. They will get 10 to 20% of the clicks. But overall, customers are going to want to click on the 3 businesses that Google recommends because Google trusts them. Google provides your credibility to the customer, and that's why they get 70% of all clicks, all searches. But let me tell you one little thing about HVAC contractor. People do not search for HVAC contractor. Nobody types in HVAC contractor near me. People are typing in air conditioning repair or heating repair. And if your primary category is HVAC contractor, if you live in the South, in a warm climate in America, your primary keyword should be air conditioning service repair or AC repair. That should be your primary keyword. That attracts, gives you more authority with Google. When their air conditioner breaks down, nobody's typing into the search engine HVAC contractor near me. They're typing in AC repair near me. And if your primary category is air conditioning repair, you see all the services underneath that: AC installation, AC repair, emergency AC repair, furnace installation, furnace repair, heat pump installation, duct cleaning, thermostat installation, HVAC maintenance. I found 27 services on that whole listing. How many do you have? Now, here's what most HVAC companies mess up. They see this video, they get excited, and they go add 10 categories and 30 services all at once to the GBP. It's a bad idea. Google flags accounts that make massive changes overnight. I've seen listings get suspended. I've seen businesses waiting weeks for re-verification. There's a right way to do this and a wrong way. Strategic, spread out over time. You need to know how Google works. There's a right way to do this and a wrong way. Get it wrong, and you're just not just invisible. You're completely out of Google Maps. They'll suspend your account, and you're invisible until they reinstate you. And on some occasions, that can take weeks, and in some cases, I've seen months. So here's what you need to know. You can have up to 10 categories. You should have at least four. 10 might be a bit too much. You can have unlimited services. You should have at least 30 if you're competing in a major city. As I say, you only have to beat your competition. I recommend up to 30 services, no matter what town you're in, because the more listed, the more calls you will get for people typing in for those individual services. Here's the kicker: you need to add them the right way. If you do it the wrong way, it can tank your listing. In the next video, I'll show you the biggest GBP mistake that gets businesses suspended and how to avoid it. Or, if you want it handled properly, you can check out legion24.com. That's my listing. I'll optimize your GBP the right way, stage over time, so you can climb the rankings without getting flagged by Google. Link is in the description. So let's get your HVAC business scene.